Hello friends, my name is Shailendra and in this video we are going to create a very basic simple Hello World application in .NET MAUI. For that you need to have a Visual Studio on your machine. I am going to open it. So once the Visual Studio opens, you need to click on create a new project option. After that, in the text box, you need to type MAUI and then select first option .NET MAUI app and click on next button. On this window, you need to select a location where you want to save your project on your machine. After that, you can click on the project name text box and give it a meaningful name, and you can click on next button, which will save your project. On the frameworks option, you can select .NET 6, click on create. Now Visual Studio is creating your project. This will be an empty project, not completely empty. This project will contain some dummy data like a button, two labels, and an image. On the error list, you can see it is asking me to accept the Android SDK license. Since this was a fresh installation of Visual Studio on my machine, so I need to accept it. After accepting the license, I am going to build this project, and after building it, I am going to run this project. So I click on Windows Machine option just next to the play button. Currently, my project is building, so you can see the log build started. Now you may also encounter this prompt, which is asking me to enable the developer mode on my machine. Since this was the fresh installation, so it is asking me. So if I want to deploy and test the Windows application on my machine, I need to enable the developer mode. So I'm turning it on. As soon as I click it, a new prompt will appear. It will contain a warning message. So if I want to continue, I need to click yes. Now, after accepting the license, my application has been opened and I have divided the window into two parts. On the right hand side, you can see application running. On the left hand side, this is the file I have opened already. It is the design part. So whatever changes I make on the designer, I do not need to rerun the project or stop and run the project again, because like this, I have changed the source code on the left hand side, and it is already being changed on the application itself. So that is a feature provided by .NET MAUI. So whatever changes you make on the user interface, they can be shown on the application instantly. But if you want to make any change on the code, then there is a different scenario. So same like I switched to the source code window. Here the count was increasing by 1 whenever user click on the click button. So I change it to 10. Now I saved this project. I am clicking on the button, but it is still increasing by 1. So what I need to do, I need to click on hot reload button. I just did. Now if I click this button, it is going to increase by 10. So you need to remember, if you are making any change on the user interface side, the changes can be reflected instantly as soon as you save the changes. But if you are making any change on the code side, on the code behind side, you need to make the changes, and then after saving you need to click on hot reload button. Once you click it, after that your changes will be reloaded in the assembly, and those changes you have made, they will be affected. So you can see I have changed the source code again, and now what I am doing, I am decreasing it by 1. I clicked on the hot reload button. Now if I click on this button, it is decreasing by 1. Now I want to make it increased by 1, which was the initial state of this program. Of course, I need to go and click on hot reload button. After that, if I click on this button, so now it is increasing by 1. So this is the power of .NET MAUI, and you can create Android, iOS, Windows application by it, a simple single application code. On the Solution Explorer, you can see there are already a lot of files, app.xml and some other files. In this file, if you see, there are some linking provided to the styles like colors and styles. So what is the meaning of it? If you go again in the Solution Explorer, you will see different directories there, like fonts, images, raw, and then you can check out this app.shell also. And if I go back to the main page, which we just changed little bit, and there is a MAUI program class. So what is the meaning of all those things inside .NET MAUI project? We will discuss that all in our upcoming videos because this is important. So thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.